Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Keedex number K DL38B. This is an armored door loop. Very typical, very common item that you're going to see where you need to transfer power from the wall, or more typically from the frame, to the door, or maybe to the header. Applications like this are going to be for electromagnetic door locks. You'll see them in hospitals and hotels, in airports, everywhere, where you've got a difficult problem to solve about transferring power from one space to another. Door loops, while they're not the most elegant of solutions, in my opinion, there are times when they are the only solution, which would certainly make them the most elegant solution at that time as well. So I'll see these all the time when you've got, let's say, a automatic door operator. You've got an existing opening that needs to become ADA compliant. You need to add an automatic door operator, and you need to communicate power from the unit to an electric strike to let the active door open, but releasing the electric strike first. That could be just a scenario. So the 3/8 in the part number means that this is 3/8 diameter flex conduit. The B in the part number means that it's in a dark brown, and that this is an 18-inch long unit. These are available from Keedex in a lot of different sorts of lengths, and where they're getting the 18-inch from is what the actual length is of the flex. Okay, you're going to have a center to center of about 20-inch. You're going to have an exposed situation closer to about 17-inch exposed underneath the caps. Okay. Now, this is exactly what it looks like when it comes from the factory. You're going to have a cap that's just going to be pressure fit over the plate, and obviously your low voltage wire will go through that. It's going to be plastic wrapped. That's just going to be a powder coated finish, and it's available in lots of different colors. Dark brown is obviously very common to complement aluminum anodized, dark bronze anodized aluminum doors and frames. Let's get some dimensions on the cover. Overall width, about 1 3/4 inches. Overall height, about 3 inch. Projection, about 1 1/8 inches. Now, the other side is going to have I want to be sure before I say it, it ought to have mounting screws inside of it. Let's get a look at that real fast. The other side. Yeah, it certainly does. So you've got not only mounting screws for the business end of this, these two holes to get it attached to whatever, but then you're going to have screws for here and here. Those are the dark brown screws for attaching here and here. Okay, is where that's going to go. And then the one that I missed up at the top, there'll be a finished screw for that as well. Keedex is a comprehensive manufacturer of items like this, flex conduit. They can do this material in 1/4 inch. They can do this material in different colors, as I mentioned before. They can do it in different lengths. They can do it in stainless steel. They can do the conduit as a roll that is 50 or 250 foot long or 100 foot long. Then you can buy the caps and all the constituent parts so that you can run a large facility that you might need to equip several openings. So you'd buy it more in bulk, is what I'm trying to say. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer page, and then from there you can pull up their catalog, which is a large download, at least at this time, but it's comprehensive in everything that Keedex does. Also, Keedex is known for their weldable gate boxes. They're steel, heavy steel gate boxes that are used for those fabricators of ornamental iron gates. When applying a lock set to those, it's just easier to buy the gate box and to weld it into your overall operation than try to make one. Then, of course, a link to the manufacturer's website. If you have any questions on the Keedex K DL38B, armored door loop, or any other Keedex product, please feel free to reach out to us.